This rocks my world. Hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and I'm so excited to tell you about my all-time favorite campfire camp chair. In fact, it's my family's all-time favorite camp chair. You know, I have to be real sneaky if I go to get up and grab a drink or something to eat, because the second I get up, it never fails. My family swoops in and takes over my chair. So if we haven't met yet, our camping channel is all about making your camping experience better. And this Freestyle Rocking Chair by CGI is definitely amazing and will make your camping experience better. Just think of all those times you're sitting around the campfire talking and laughing. You know, some of our campfire nights last 4 hours. And so to be comfortable is an all-time must. You know, the gentle rocking of this motion is so smooth, and I just feel it's the perfect hanging out chair. It has these hydraulic pistons that make the rocking chair so smooth. The shock absorbers on the back legs allow for a gentle rocking motion, and yet the chair is very sturdy and won't tip. Now, this chair is made for sitting, so if you're looking for something that reclines a little more, you probably want to look for something with a higher back so that you can rest your neck. I know CGI does put out the road trip rocker with a higher back, and I can't wait to get that one and do a review. Check the links below if you'd like to check out some more information on them. But for just sitting up and talking and relaxing, this CGI Freestyle Rocking Chair, I give it 5 stars. I love it. In fact, my favorite is when I can just sit and rock my grandkids to sleep when we're up camping. Now, this chair supports 250 pounds and comes in weighing at just under 13 pounds. It's very thin and easy to store, and it opens up easy. Oh, and it has the handy cup holder on the side. So coming in at just under $60, this portable folding rocking chair by CGI, the Freestyle Rocker, will take your camping to the next level. So rock on, and I'll see you on the next adventure.